Dan. Here goes my red curry with chicken. Now I'm gonna taste my red curry. Ooh. Mmm. Come to join me. Mmm. Delicious. Mmm. Crunchy. Swadika, it's me again. Welcome to Gale's Little Kitchen. Today I'm gonna do Thai red curry with chicken or gang dang gai. Gai is mean chicken. For the red curry, this is all ingredients. So I'm gonna start with about 300 grams of chicken breast or maybe 2 big chicken breasts. 1 big red bell pepper, 30 grams of basil, about 100 grams of green beans, 1 red sweet chili, 7-8 lime leaves, and this a tin about 200 grams of bamboo shoots. I just bought a tin here that come with the water inside a tin. Just drain the water away and wash it properly. And this one, plum sugar, 1 tablespoon for plum sugar. If you don't have plum sugar, you can use normal sugar, it's fine. And red curry paste, that one, red curry paste. And fish sauce, any brand of fish sauce that'd be fine. So the curry paste here is about like 1.5 tablespoon. But if you don't want it too spicy, you can go with 1/2 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. But mine today I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons. And fish sauce are 2 tablespoons. And here the coconut milk. Use the full fat one. You can use the Thai brand, or you can use local supermarket, that's fine. Because the Thai brand is a little bit thick, of the coconut milk. If a normal brand, maybe use 2 tins or 1 tin and a half. And this one is the chicken broth stock, about 300 milliliter or half a pint. So to go with. And now this is all done. This is all ingredients for red curry. So I'm gonna start now. Now I'm gonna start with green bean first. For red curry, it's similar like green curry. So you can use any vegetable you like. But I'm gonna have just only the green beans and the red bell pepper. You can use green or you can use the yellow red bell pepper, that's fine. But I thought because I already have greens, I want something so a bit, different color. So, and then I cut another half. And I move it over here. If you can fry green beans, you can use sugar peas fry as well. And then peppers. If you like 2 colors, like yellow or green with red, that's fine. If you like pepper, you add more pepper. But because I have bamboo shoot as well, if you don't have bamboo shoots, you can have 2 peppers and mix with green bean, that's okay. Or add carrots or baby corns or sugar peas. But because I have bamboo shoots, so I'm gonna go just only red bell peppers and green bean, just 1. Okay, and this one I just cut the big piece, just like that. Okay, that's all done. And then sweet chili. If you have green, it's fine. Just get all the seed inside out. Okay, just like that. Or you can cut like thin slice, it's up to you, that's fine. Okay, that's all done for vegetables. And now I'm gonna move on to chicken. I use like 2 big pieces of chicken breast, that's okay. You can cut in like chunk or slice in pieces, that's up to you. So today I'm gonna into like slice in pieces like this, like big piece. For red curry, you can use beef, you can use pork, anything you like. Okay, that's it. Done. Now I'm ready to do gang dang gai or Thai red curry with chicken. So here we go. This chicken, red bell pepper, green beans, and bamboo shoot here, red curry paste there, fish sauce and palm sugar, coconut milk, and then chicken stock. Okay. Get the pan, turn the hob on medium heat. Gonna do step by step. The first one is gonna put the coconut milk. I'm gonna take just only the thicker creamy top of the coconut milk. Usually I don't shake them when you open it, and they're gonna have like the thickness here. So I'm gonna use this about 3 to 4 tablespoons to cook with curry paste. Okay, the pan gets hot. Just the coconut milk. Let the coconut milk get hot. And then I will add curry paste, red curry paste. You see bubble now, so we add the curry paste in. If you're gonna do for the first time, you're not really sure about how spicy it's gonna be, please go easy, maybe about half of tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. But today I'm doing with 1.5 tablespoons of curry paste. When you put the curry paste in, just keep stir them until the curry paste start to get a little bit a darker color. Okay. Make sure all the curry paste no lump. Okay. And can you see? Start to get a little bit darker color. And then I will add plum sugar. Because the plum sugar, they're quite hard, so I want to put it now and then let it melt it. Okay. Now it's already darker color of the curry paste. I turn the heat to high heat and I'm gonna add chicken. So we got chicken in. Okay, and then stir it together. Now because it's too dry, I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut milk. Okay, just leave it a little bit, maybe about like 2-3 more minutes to let the chicken cook. Okay, I'm going to add the rest of coconut milk in. Okay, let it cook. Because my pan is a bit thick, that's why it takes time to cook meat. Okay, I'm gonna cover the lid a little bit, maybe about just 2 minutes to let the chicken cook properly. While we're waiting for chicken to cook, so the next step, after chicken cook, I'm gonna add the fish sauce and then chicken stock. And after that, I'm gonna add bamboo shoots, green beans, and red pepper to be in here and cook it for maybe about like 5 minutes. Because after chicken is cooked, you don't need to take time too long to cook vegetables. Okay, leave it for about like 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna check. Stir them a little bit. Okay, I think chicken nearly cooked. Maybe 1 more minute. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say that this is lamb leaves. So I'm gonna put all together green bean, red bell pepper, lamb leaves, and then bamboo shoot in there. But I'm gonna put sweet chili and the basil for the last. Okay, let me check the chicken. Oh, smell really nice. I think my chicken is cooked now. So I'm gonna add fish sauce. Fish sauce is 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna see, do I need any more after I taste it? And then I'm gonna add the chicken stock. For the red curry, it's gonna be a little bit of watery, not like too thick. Okay. And now bamboo shoot, green beans, red bell pepper, and lime leaves. I'm gonna taste a little bit. I don't need add any. I think it's salty is enough. Okay. Now just have to cover the lid. Leave it for 2 or 3 minutes and then it will be ready. For the green curry and red curry, they are really similar. For the green curry, I use bamboo shoot as well. But in green curry, I will put the eggplants or aubergines. But for red curry, we don't put that. But in Thailand, we use Thai eggplant to put in the red curry. But because the Thai eggplant is really difficult for me to find here, so I just skip it and just use the red bell pepper and green bean instead. Okay, I'm gonna lower heat a little bit to medium because it starts to boiling too much. Okay, I'm gonna check on it. It's very nice. I won't cook long for the vegetables. Like I said, personally, I like a little bit of crunchy vegetables. But if you like soft, you just leave 1 more minute. And I think this one is nearly done. Okay. Oh, wow. Smell authentic Thai food. Smell lamb leaf is so nice. So good. I'm very hungry now. I want to have a taste really soon. I'm gonna add red chili. Actually, red chili, if you don't want it, you don't need to add it. It's just only like a garnish to make it look nice. And now basil. When I put basil in, I just leave it for just about like 30 seconds. I won't cook long. And then I'll turn the hot off. Here you go. That's it for my Thai red curry. Okay. Ooh. Smell yummy. This 2 big pieces of chicken breast and 1 red bell pepper. And this pan you can have 3 to 4 serving if you share together. Okay, here you go. When you cook a lot like this, you don't have to worry when you have leftover. When it cool down, put in a small container and then you put in the freezer. You can freeze them for a month and then you can have it whenever you like. Okay, here you go. Dan-dan-dan. Here goes my red curry with chicken. Now I'm gonna taste my red curry. Ooh. Come to join me. Delicious. Crunchy. Thank you for watching. Hope you try it at home. If you like recipe, it's here. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.